Hello friends, in this video we will solve this question using Excel. So the question is find the sample variances of the data sets A and B given below. So this is data set A and this is data set B, and here we have the formula of sample variance, which is S square, and this is sum of all the numbers minus the mean square followed by the total minus 1. So I have already entered this data here. This is data set A and this is data set B. So for data set A, we will find the x minus mean. Okay, here you can see we have to find out this xi minus this x, and then we have to square it. So I'll just find this one first, xi minus mean. So for that, first we have to find mean and total. So here we'll find the sum. So sum will be equal to sum, and in bracket we will select this range. So this is the sum. Now to find the mean, we have to count it. So now we will find the total count, and here we can see there are 5 numbers, but still we'll find it using count. So this is the count and this is the sum. So the mean will be equal to the sum divided by count. So this is the mean. Now here we have to find xi minus this mean. Okay, and since the mean will be same for the complete range, we'll put a dollar symbol before A and dollar symbol before 11 and click enter. So this is the xi minus mean here. Now we can copy this formula for the entire range. So now we have the xi minus mean. Next we have to find the square of this xi minus mean. Okay, here we will find the square. To find the square, we'll write equal to power. Okay, equal to power, and in bracket first we have to select the number, comma, then we have to write the power, which is 2. So this is the square, and then we have to copy this formula for the entire range. Okay, so now we have this thing xi minus mean square, and next we have to find the sum and divide it by the count minus 1. Okay, so here we will find the sum of this. So this will be equal to sum, and we will copy this entire range, click enter. So this is the sum here. Next we have to divide it by n minus 1. So n minus 1 will be equal to the count minus 1. So here we will write equal to this count minus 1, and next we have to divide it. So here we will write equal to 30 divided by 4. Okay, so 7.5 is the standard variance for the dataset A. Now we have to do the same for dataset B. Okay, so for data set B will write equal to, okay, this will do later. We'll just clear this entire thing. Okay, so here we have to find the sum. So we can just copy this formula here. This is the sum. Then we have to find the count. So we can copy the formula here. And then we have to find the mean. So we'll just copy this formula here. So here also the mean is same. Next we have to find this xi minus mean. So this will be equal to this xi minus this mean. So this is xi minus mean. Here we'll put dollar symbol before b and before 11. Okay, next we will copy this formula for the entire range. Then we have to find the square of this. So we'll write equal to power, select this number followed by comma and 2. This will give us the square. And next we copy this formula for the entire range. Okay, and after this we have to find the sum. So we can write equal to sum and select this range. This is the sum. The count is 4 minus 1, so that will be equal to 3. And we have to find the, we have to divide it now. So we'll write equal to this number. Okay, I think I am not able to select it. So here we'll write equal to followed by this number divided by this number. You can click enter. So here it is 360.667 and this one is 7.5. So this is the standard variance. Let's check the answer. So this is the solution, and you can see for data set A it is 7.5 and for data set B it is 360.67, and our result is same, 7.5 and 360.67. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.